Through different articles we found Robby Blanchard. He primarily sold affiliate products using Clickbank, and he states he is now Clickbank's #1 affiliate. He also sells affiliate training products and coaching. Becoming Clickbank's #1 affiliate is no lowly feat. There are tons of people being affiliates, so how did he do it? And what can we learn and apply to our own sales techniques and plans? So we looked at Robby and his main social site, YouTube, and tried to figure out how did he start. We went through quite a few videos and found one that was years old, but it seems to give a glimpse behind the curtain. We looked at one of his first videos on YouTube, and in that one video we see the game plan and the main techniques used. Sure, he is probably using many more now, but the one used, when refined, can work really well. So we assume that Robby has used that as a foundation and tweaked as he goes. The title of the video in the thumbnail above is, How I Made $1,600 with Clickbank. The video shows Robby going through his Clickbank account and showing daily totals, going through Clickbank products, finding a nice niche, and finding a good product that has affiliate systems/swap files already in place. But this whole video shows us the steps that Robby took to make that money, or the majority of the money. Listening to the video and actually watching it shows us the product and actually the method that Robby uses. Now the account is actually blanked out in spaces, but he shows us the ID that is used. They look very similar to one another, right? Well, this is different tracking IDs that Robby has used to figure out which strategy works. And when you look closer you see the numbers and letters FBF ad set 2E8, or similar versions to this. Ad set highly likely means that Robby is promoting the product using paid ads. And that's all. The letters and numbers 2E8 is code that Robby uses to figure out the ad used. We thought FB stands for Facebook, which it could. But listen to the video and you can see the actual product. Robby even states what the product is. If you go further to the left of the account you see item. This is the amount of affiliate products that are being sold. There are only 2 items in this screen grab. This means that Robby is only promoting 2 products. The product that Robby Blanchard focused on and grew his affiliate commissions? Fat Belly Fix, which aligns with FBF. Robby Blanchard also states that he knows the vendor. There was something else on Robby's account. That is the rebill. Now this is where someone has paid again and again. It is an important way to bring in income with minimal effort and greatly increases your ROI. Robby shows us another affiliate product and their affiliate tools page, going directly towards the Facebook ads and help files. Highly likely Fat Belly Fix has the same, or Robby completed his own. Affiliate sales are nice, but how about your own product? The description states that there is a free gift. It's a sign up to Commission Hero. So the initial videos were generating email subscribers, and are still doing so. Video was uploaded in 2019 and in 2026 is still generating comments and traffic. 7 guesses who Robby tells when a new product is coming out? Yep, his subscriber list. So he has access now to people who want to know about affiliate selling. If you found the video, liked Robby Blanchard content, and then went into the description to subscribe, then you are more likely to want what Robby has to offer. You went through multiple subconscious steps to make yourself more warm to the content. And when Robby has more content or even an affiliate offer, those subscribers have a higher chance of buying product. The cost? Virtually nothing. It is lovely to see that Robby has been paid out $1.7 million in 3 months. But if it cost $1.8 million in ads, then that original figure is not very good. What usually happens is that you have a great amount of initial expense to see what works, regardless of if the vendor is supplying ad files or not. Remember as well, you might not be the only one promoting this product. Once you have an ad that starts to sell, you then start to crank up the amount and spend on that ad, getting better keywords, more ads, etc. You are hoping that if you spend $10 you will get $100 back. If you reinvest $100 you will be getting $1,000 back. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Racking up credit card debt to do this is never a wise idea. Anyway, just wanted to know how Robby Blanchard started and what he did, also what the likely products he used to promote. We wish Robby all the best.